Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be getting into some Meta Business Suite. All right. Now, what we're doing today is we're just trying to figure out when the best times to post for our business page is. So let's go over here to our Insights tab. You're going to come over here to Audience. It's going to land you on the Demographics page. You want to go over to the Trends page. Okay, now you can either do like, hey, I want to see the last 7 days, 28 days, or 90 days. I think 28 days is that good sweet spot. And it's going to tell you who's unfollowed you, how many followers you've gained, and what days were the spikes happening. Now, if you look at the bottom here, these are all of your active times. These are the best times to post. This, I believe, is your reach. And then this is just like obviously the time. Now as for your day, because like I said, this just only has the times here, you're going to want to come over here and select your day. My days all pretty much look the same, but like say if you wanted to post on Friday and you wanted to know when the most best and ideal time for you to post on that Friday is, this is where you're going to want to go. So you're either going to want to post between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. if you are My Business. If you're not My Business, obviously you're going to have different times. That is how you look at your best times to post on Facebook from Business Suite. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a comment below or at least subscribe or like this video. It helps me a lot. I will see you guys, or maybe not, in the next video. Bye!